Hello and welcome to the video. This is Jed Albring, and today I'm going to talk to you about ClickFunnels for network marketing. So for those that aren't aware, Russell actually got started many years ago in network marketing. So he is very into network marketing, the business model. I know that he currently is involved in a network marketing program and that he's invested in himself. So if you have listened to his podcast, if you haven't, go listen to it, Marketing Secrets. He does talk about that. So he is a big fan of network marketing. And Stephen Larson, who used to work for ClickFunnels, does a lot of trainings on network marketing using funnels and helping people build their downline. So there is a lot of push from ClickFunnels now to get the network marketing industry to kind of change the way they used to do things. The old way of calling people on the phone, doing the three-way call, doing the hotel call and the parties at the house. I know I've been a part of them on both sides. I've been in network marketing. I work with network marketing people. So people who are now moving towards funnels are not only seeing a huge increase in their downline, but it's simplifying the process. It's taking out that uncomfortableness. So that being said, I'm going to put a link below for you guys where you can get a copy of Russell's new book, Network Marketing Secrets. He's going to show you how to create all the current kind of the current way and the way that network marketing has been taught for years, the three-way call, the home party, the hotel meeting, and how to turn that into a funnel and get people into your downline that way. And what's really cool about this, guys, is if you're promoting on Instagram or Facebook or whatever your social media of choice is, you can link people directly to this funnel. So rather than taking them to your just kind of blank associate or I don't know, I know everybody kind of has different names, consultant page or whatever, designer, whatever it may be, whether it's in doTERRA or Rodan & Fields or Isogenics. It allows you to take them through the funnel and get their name, get their information, and start building an email list and start taking them through the funnel process to then get them on the phone call, then get them into the opportunity. So you're warming them up prior to even making that call. Okay, so no more of the cold calls or anything like that. It goes through all the different strategies, right? The core strategies, the core funnels, and there's plenty of places within Facebook or within ClickFunnels, guys, where you can get free MLM funnels that you can upload into your account, okay, which is awesome. And I highly recommend becoming a part of the ClickFunnels Facebook group. Lots of people in that community right now, network marketers who are doing funnels that you can communicate with. So get on this. I will put a link below, guys. You can get the free book. It comes in just a few days. I got mine in, I think, 3 days. So it's free. You pay just shipping and handling for that. I'll put a link below. Kids are yelling at me, so I got to go. But please like, comment, subscribe, share. And if you've been in network marketing for a while, guys, you're kind of tired of the way the old things are going, read this book. It'll change your life. Start building funnels. Get in there. I will put a free 14-day trial for you below. I am an affiliate, so thank you so much. Helps me keep my channel and keeps those loud kids fed. Have a great day, guys. Please like, subscribe.